Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's just dive right into this video. Since my last polygel video, I have been experimenting with different methods to do my nails. So let me show you guys this method that I find easier than the polygel method. I naturally have weak nails, so with the builder gel I'm able to grow out my nails and just experiment a little bit with them, with shapes which I previously couldn't do, and they also last very long. I've been having this set on now for about 3.5 weeks and they are barely lifting. I could go even longer, but I was just tired of seeing the same color. So let me tell you guys, I am not a nail technician. Whatever I'm showing you here is just based on what I'm doing and what works for me. So it might even be that something is not actually the correct way, but it works. So if you want to apply it, do that. If you don't have to. I don't know if you noticed, but I was actually using my electric file at first to take off the product off my nails, but it gave up on me. It wasn't working. It was not having enough power to take it off. It was working for cuticle prep because I didn't need like that much energy for that, power for that. But anyways, it wasn't working. I had to switch up to my hand file, which is also possible. It just for me takes a little bit longer because I'm using the same type of product again on my nails. I'm not removing the whole thing. So what I do is that I just file off the polish first of all, and then I go ahead and check if there is any lifting. If there's lifting, take it off, and if the lifting is a lot, just take the whole or file the whole thing down. As you can see here, I've filed down my red polish, and I'm checking it to make sure that there's no lifting. If there is lifting, I'm using a tool to just pick it off and then file it down a little bit more. After that, I just file my nails to my desired shape, and once you are happy with your shape, you can move ahead to the cuticle. So if you're not having any product on your nails, like you're starting afresh, you just go ahead and jump right into cuticle prep. Between every step, I always clean my nails with a regular polish remover without acetone, just to free it from any residue and dust. On to cuticle prep. This is the cuticle remover that I use now. Previously I wasn't using it and it was a hassle to make sure my cuticle was clean to make my nail set last longer. So I just put it on, let it sit for some seconds, and then I just start pushing back my cuticle with this tool here. I don't know what these things are called, so you can see what I mean. I just push it back, and then I use the other side and scrape off any excess that might be there still. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and use my e-file to file around my cuticle just to make sure there is nothing else there. And then I use this bit here to just buff down my cuticle. It doesn't hurt at all. It looks painful, but I don't even feel one thing. If I still feel there's too much cuticle, dead cuticle, I go ahead and carefully cut it down. Be careful when doing this so you don't go too deep. Once I'm done with cuticle prep, I go ahead and I file my natural nail a little bit. That's the back. The front is the product, so I just touch up the back a little bit. This will help that the product sits well on my nails or has something to hold on to, so your product doesn't lift immediately. Don't be heavy-handed when doing this. Just lightly file over it. After cleaning my nails, I apply my dehydrator and then the primer. Between the steps, I just let my nails sit for 60 seconds and then I go ahead and apply the next product. These ones, or the primer and the dehydrator, they don't have to be cured under a UV lamp. Don't wipe your nails after applying your primer. Let it sit on your nails like that, and then you apply the rubber base, just as you see me do here. And after applying the rubber base, you then cure it under the UV lamp. Once you cure it, you then wipe off the sticky layer. After that, I then apply my builder gel. This is the one I'm using. I like the color. I just was going for something that would look pinkish nude. It doesn't look that pink at first, but it later has like a hint of pink. I first of all apply a thin layer of the builder gel on my nails. I noticed that, or I heard, and it actually is like that. I can control where the product move by applying a thin layer first, and then I apply more product on it, and then I use this thin brush here to just spread it out and shape my nails however I want to. If I feel some place are looking a little bit flat, I add more product, just spread it around. And because of I applied a thin layer first, the product stays within the thin layer. It's so hard to describe, guys. I hope you understand what I mean. So just basically what I'm doing here, and then I turn my finger upside down so you make gravity pull it naturally to where it's going to go. So just make sure you are having every angle in mind when doing all this. After curing, I clean it, and now I shape. After curing, you will notice like some bumps, so just use your file to make it smooth again. If you feel there is need to add more product anywhere, just go ahead and do it. I just want to show you once again how I apply the builder gel. So I apply a thin layer first on my nails without curing it, and then I add more product to build a structure on my nail. Then I shape it to my desired shape and file it once again if needed. After cleaning off the dust, I then once more apply a thin layer on top of it if needed. My nails are then looking like this once I am done. You can then just apply a top coat and then you're good to go. But I wanted to like make some designs on it, so I just applied some glitter, and then I can apply my top coat. Once my top coat is applied, I am done. I only then have to apply my cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you can somehow follow my explanation. Excuse me if I was not using the right terms, but just watch it. I think you understand it. It's pretty easy. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, comment down below how you like these nails. If you try it out, let me know how you like it, how it worked out for you. It's not going to be all perfect at the beginning. The more you do it, it's going to get better. Mine didn't look like this when I started. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.